Here's what you can do when mortgage rates are a moving target. Have you seen where mortgage rates have been lately? One day they go down a little, the next day they go back up again. It can feel confusing and even frustrating if you are trying to decide whether now is a good time to buy a home. Data from Mortgage News Daily shows that after a relatively stable month of March, mortgage rates have been on a bit of a roller coaster ride in April. This kind of up and down volatility is expected when economic changes are happening. And that's one of the reasons why trying to time the market isn't your best move. You cannot control what happens with mortgage rates, but you are not powerless. Even with all the economic uncertainty right now, there are things you can do. You can control your credit score. You can control loan types. You can control your loan's term. That way you can get the best rate possible in today's market. Let's talk about your credit score. Your credit score can really affect the mortgage rate that you qualify for. Even a small change in your score can make a big difference in your monthly payment. Bankrate puts it this way, quote, "Your credit score is one of the most important factors that lenders consider when you apply for a mortgage, not just to qualify for the loan itself, but for the conditions. Typically, the higher your score, the lower your interest rate, and better terms you will qualify for." Keeping your credit score up is key when it comes to qualifying for a home loan. If you are not sure where your score stands or how to improve it, I can connect you with a local loan officer you can trust. The next thing you can control, your loan type. There are also different types of loans out there, and each one come with unique requirements for qualified buyers. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the CFPB, explains it this way. There are several broad categories of mortgage loans, such as conventional, FHA, USDA, and VA. Lenders decide which products they offer, and loan types have different eligibility requirements. Rates can be significantly different depending on what loan type you choose. So talking to multiple lenders can help you better understand all of the options available to you. Always work with a mortgage professional to figure out which loan makes the most financial sense for you and your situation. Another thing you can control, your loan's term. Just like there are different loan types, there are also different loan terms. Freddie Mac puts it this way, quote, "When choosing the right home loan for you, it's important to consider the loan term, which is the length of time it will take you to repay your loan before you fully own your home. Your loan term will affect your interest rate, monthly payment, and the total amount of interest you will pay over the lifetime of the loan. Most lenders typically offer 15, 20, or 30-year conventional loans, but be sure to ask your loan officer what is best for you." The bottom line here is you cannot control what's happening with the economy or mortgage rates, but you can work with a trusted lender and take steps that will help you get the best rate possible. Let's connect to talk about what you can do today to put yourself in a strong spot for when you are ready to buy a home. I am David Hittle, doing business at Shopkentuckyhomes LLC, and I'm here to get you ready for home ownership. Call me at 502-489-1135.